Good morning, guys. Happy? What day is it today?
Tuesday.
Alright, sure. Mine?
Bye.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Papa. Lily Mermaid. Ate Paris is getting ready for school.
And guys, guess what? I have my swimming suit on. Because I'm gonna swim in the morning today at swimming school. And I'm in a pancake.
And Celine is going to the library. No, we have to bring back the books when they're done. Book. Alam niyo ba tong shoes na to, guys? Kaya Ate Paris to na shoes. Hindi ko pinasuot kay Baby Celine before kaya sabi ko medyo malaki pa. Ngayon, play Nini. Masikip na sa kanya. Diyos ko lang, anak.
Where is my water? Diba? Mommy, play.
Yeah, play. We'll go to the library.
No, play.
Around time.
Play bike.
So ito, kasi swimming natin Paris this morning, sabi daw ng teacher nila na suotin na raw yung pang-swimming sa ilalim para hindi na mag-change pagdating sa school. So pagdating sa school ay hubarit na lang yung uniform, tapos swimming na kaagad.
That's
What are you talking about? My wife here. What the matter? Good girl. Lin, mura man kag gikan sa jail lang the color sa imong. You look like a carrot, Lin. You're so cute. So cute. Oh, yeah, Ate. Share to Tita and Tito your very exciting news.
Look. And guess what? Look, I have my first Mommy.
Oh, look,
Right
that's
here.
right. Look. Whoa. Finally! So finally, nagkaroon na rin siya ng wobbly tooth, guys. Alam niyo ba, for the last year, grabe, all the time, yung sinasabi niya ay may wobbly tooth na raw siya. And then every time we check, wala. But because at school, parang naging trending na, oh, I have wobbly tooth. So lahat sila merong wobbly tooth. But this time, it is real na. Meron na talaga siya wobbly tooth. Last night, she was so excited. Of course, me as well and Daddy Mike, we were so excited kasi that's her first wobbly tooth. Oh my God, if that comes off, she's super excited. Why are you excited, love?
That is very welcome.
Yeah, that is very welcome, sabi niya. And if
Sometimes I pretend my teeth is out.
I know.
With blue tape, but it's not actually real.
Yeah, that's a pretend. But now, oh my goodness, we got a wobbly tooth. Get bigger.
Daddy, there.
We give it to Mama B. Sobrang saya niya, grabe.
It's mine.
Hindi, kapag bata ka, yes. But kapag matanda ka, may wobbly tooth, good luck. Okay, gawin na. Dala-dala ko na yung mga books. Isasauli na namin sa library kasi may notice na naman dami. Open, Mama will help. Excuse me. Kailangan ng isauli kasi overdue na. Okay, Lord. Daddy Mike works in the office today. Maaga siya umalis kanina. Ayaw na ba yun si Daddy Mike? Kahit nag-work sa office, siya pa rin talaga yung magawa ng lunch na Ate Paris. Oh, the water bottle was there. We bring the... Bring the Hinintay. Mommy. Shush. No. Ayan na. O, para umupo. Kailangan ang lagyan yan. At least. You kaya te? Ang ating ate ay big girl naman to. She can do her seatbelt by herself now. Good job, ate. Alrighty, it's time to go. Hindi pa ako nagkape, guys. I'm just gonna get coffee. Hala, hindi pala ako nakapagkilay. Pero, important thing is nakapaglagay ako ng sunscreen. Yun yung mas importante sa kilay.
A few moments later.
Tingnan nyo, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. Lady! Come na! Da, na, ginawad ano ginahan? Musil ipamanggit sa iyang ate. Now, what happened to your shoelace, anak? Mama will fix your shoelace, be. Ay, Lord. Were they singing?
Yeah.
Were they singing?
No.
I see colors,
No,
colors.
it's no play.
Oh, no. Come on, Mama, hold it, babe.
No, how?
Come on now, let's go. We'll go to the library. Actually, we'll grab a hot
Mommy?
chocolate first. Yes.
It's play.
Yeah.
Play.
Play, I know. Come on, keep going. Shush. Mahaba na ang kanyang buhok. Oh, tingnan niyo. Buhay na buhay.
I want.
It's okay. We'll go the other way. Mr. Sun. Sun. Mr. Golden Sun. Nak, sobrang cute talaga ng outfit mo, nak. Dili ko makaget over.
Sun. Where's sun?
Yeah. Please shine down on.
Sun.
Ordering coffee. Ducky!
I'll ask her when I come here.
Tingnan niyo guys, ha? Pag sinasabi kong take a photo. Tingnan niyo kung anong ginagawa niya. Alright, take a photo. Take a photo. Cheese. Ay, so funny. Come on now. Let's go. Which one? Move? As if marunong kami mag-chess. Sige, go. Your turn. Wow! That's a great move.
There.
Nandito pa kami sa library, guys. Nauli namin yung books. And aalis na sana kami. Pero nag-stop siya dito. Book, yeah. Okay, my turn. There you go. Oh my God, Lily. Your turn? Wow. My turn?
My turn. My turn.
Okay. Oh my God, I think you're winning.
I can move.
Mo? Oh,
Oh no. Small.
okay, go. Your turn? Oh my God, Lini.
Look.
Oh my God. You're a winner. Wow.
Mommy, mommy.
Yes, Lini. There, baby. It's okay. I know it hurts. Wipe your tears away with bandage and a
She's
kiss.
away.
Just right will make my boo-boo feel
Right.
alright.
Pop, pop, pop.
Kakagising lang nito from her nap. Nap. Did you have a good nap?
Mom.
Did you have a good nap? Huh?
Mommy.
I'm cooking lunch, guys. I'm making steak for Celine. She loves steak. Yesterday, pinagluto ko din siya ng steak and she ate it all. You love steaks lang? And then, ito yung ginawa ko for myself. I got butter chicken and rice. Still very hot. So, maganda yung rice ng sa Coast na butter chicken.
Rice.
Tingnan nyo. Parang
Rice.
long grain. Wow, rice. Careful, hot. I'm not washing the pan.
Mama.
What did you do?
Here.
Hmm?
Here.
Yeah.
Awesome. Ah. There's that. There.
And then we will have the steak.
There. What, Mom?
I'm gonna have steak.
There.
What's mom kakaroon? What's daddy's name?
Coke.
Coke!
Yeah.
Taka ang kain. Mike.
Mike.
Yay! Mommy's name? Joe.
Joe.
V.
We.
Yay! Ate's name? Pa.
Pa.
Riz.
Reese.
Yeah! Palangga ka sa mama. Palangga ang kay ka ni mama, eh.
I'm Nini.
Lini, say, what's your name?
Nini.
How old is Lini?
1.
You're not one anymore. You're not one anymore. Oy!
Is Mommy?
How old are you?
2.
2, that's right. Yeah, you're not one anymore. You're a big girl naman. Hmm?
That's Nini Tim. Mommy. Mom. Look.
Oh no. Oh no!
Eat. It's small.
Small. Ate, she said thank you.
I said.
Oh. Mag Ate Paris na. I'd like to say thank you. Very nice, Lini. Very kind. Good manners, my love. I love it. Okay.
I had my news today, but I didn't get any more. I want to tell you the good news.
What's the good news?
I
Did you tell your friends?
yeah.
What did they say?
That's cool. That's cool.
That's cool? Oh my God, nakabalok na. Ano sila mo na yung buhok na?
Guys, I want to show you.
No. Sige na, sit down na, Christine. Wants to sit down as well. Seatbelt on. Well done. Love you, Lini. Love you, Lini. Hi. Love you, Lini.
Hi, Mom.
Just love you, Mom. I love you, ate. Tingnan niyo mangha siya sa kanyang wablit. I love you. Love you, Lini.
Hi, Mom.
Ay, shush, Mom. Shush, tigulang. Sa park kami. Hindi ba nag-change outfit ang ating baby Celine? Kanina, boyish siya sa kanyang Adidas. Ngayon ay naka-princess. Do you wanna sit? Ate Paris is there. Oh, tingnan nyo. There. Oh, good job, ate. Hi! Can I order, please? Can I please have iced chocolate? Oh, thank you. Yum. How much? Deuce? $2? $2? Okay. My payment. I pay him money. I give you money. Put that down. Money. There you go. You're welcome. La, cut mo. Tine! Ay, naghaling ba? Ay, mahong fire. Down, please. Girls, come on. No, Prisya. How about I take Celine for an ice cream and you stay here because you're big? Huh?
It's for real life.
No, it's for not real life.
But why did you do that?
Come here, fix your hair.
Because I want to get ice cream.
That one?
Yeah. Do it.
Strawberries. What color is yours, Lini?
Pink.
Pink. I think
Yeah,
one's
do it.
wet.
Yeah. It's not actually. Guess what flavor it is?
What is it?
It's when Kai turns it.
I'll get lemon as well. Kids small, thank you. And I'll get maybe.
Fresh mint chocolate chip.
No, I'll get that Swiss chocolate.
Where? I can see it on the back.
Yum.
Hi. Can I taste it?
Thumbs up.
Let me taste yours. Just a dish. I said a taste.
Careful lang, B. Careful. Dad is here na. Lampas ang kanyang mga prinsesa, oy.
Bob, do you want to move forward a little bit?
Yeah. Guys, sige namin guys.
Oo, kamabalik sa amin dito kay ang bata eh. Dalo na mo born yung born.
Okay. Bye-bye. Mag-chat ako.
Bye.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Love you. Bye.
Welcome back to our kitchen, guys. The chef is home tonight. Nagluluto ang ating dalimay. Say hi, Lali. Hi to the chef. Gwapo naman natin, chef, right? Hindi na kami napag-vlog kanina. Na-pick up namin sa Dalimay. Agad-agad ka nung umuwi. And then, ayan. Kitchen na siya kaagad. Luto siya ng pasta. The kids are playing. Ayan sila, oh. Kabulingit pang balay, guys.
I'm playing school.
Say hi!
Hey.
Lin, say hi! Lini! Busy sa kanyang lip gloss.